It is a tornado on the ground. It is. Look. Tornado on the ground.
Tornado.
Yes.
Woo!
Fuck, man. Woo!
Tornado.
Ой, кто нахуй? Where is going? Are we okay?
Yeah, we're good. Oh my.
Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus Maria. Tornado on the ground. This is my first time in my life. Yes! Ah! Эй, кто нахуй? I got it. Tornado on the ground. Shit, man, let's stop here. Let's go.
Large tornado on the ground.
Look in the front.
Go.
Which way direction he's moving? Straight there? Or back to us?
Northeast.
Northeast, alright. Huge tornado. I can't tell the structure, but I can see it. It's moving for sure.
Careful with these guys.
It is. Look. A big one. Торнадос, prieš jūs pasižiūrėkit, kaip gražiai atrodo. Nebraska. Gegužės 17, 2019.
This is a tornado warning message. The National Weather Service of Hastings has issued a tornado warning for western Dawson County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Willow Island, or 20 miles west of Lexington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazard.
Large wall cloud rapidly rotating near the city of